Hey all, Patrick here with Whitetail Dreams Real Estate. Today our new listing is in Richland County. It's just northwest of Richland Center, about 20 minutes near the little town of Sabin. It's 35 acres. It's going to be listed for just under $200,000. All 35 acres are enrolled in MFL closed. It also features a Class 2 trout stream that you can see over my shoulder here. That's Coulter Hollow Creek, which feeds into Mill Creek, which is a Class 1 trout stream. Beautiful property. Can't wait to show you more of it. So I want to talk a little bit about the habitat and diversity we have on the property here. Right now we're in the northeast corner, and there are around 4 or 5 acres that essentially would be best be described as reverted pasture. We have a lot of upland grasses, brush, some old apple trees, walnut trees filling in. One of the main improvements the property would really need is a driveway departing from Patch Hill Drive to get you up into the parcel. You can see over my shoulder here there is an old trail. The trails have not been kept up, and that would go a long way in improving your access and usability of the property. They're here, it's just more or less they need to be freshened up, maintained, improved, but moving forward that would really give you a lot of options for access. So you probably noticed the deer stand over my shoulder here. Unfortunately, we don't have a ton of trail camera history and hunting history to go with this property. It has gotten use over the years, but just not a lot of history to give you. Fortunately, I have also worked with one of the neighboring landowners on their property, and they supplied me with a ton of trail camera photos. So if you're looking to see more of those, reach out. I'd be happy to show you more. But of course, we are in Richland County, so it is a great area for deer hunting. We've actually got one neighbor that surrounds this property on 3 sides. It's a large farmer, so that's always great to have for a smaller tract. Additionally, this parcel does feature a really nice ridge top with a great pinch point for those rut hunts in November.